We're doing a vlog on a road trip to our destination, and I wanted to try some snacks. We're gonna call these gas station snacks. I got this from, oh, I know I opened the wrong way, from a mukbanger that I watch. Her name is Megan McCullum, and she said Hostess apple pies are really good. These are fruit pies. This is apple flavor. Have you had these before?
No.
But the ingredients aren't that bad, right?
Yeah, that's alright.
This is what it looks like. Looks like it's food for the dead. Am I right?
Yeah, it looks like a fruit pie.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't really eat pies.
It looks
that
like
often.
a 3D rendition of a cartoon fruit pie.
Apparently these are really good though.
Oh, you're about to find out. Probably get hot. It's right off the line.
Oh my god.
It's good.
No. Wanna bite?
Oh yeah.
Oh, they're really sweet.
It's like an overstuffed Pop-Tart.
If it wasn't that sweet, it would be even better. But it's pretty good.
Yeah, it should taste fire.
Oops. The pasta is really crispy. Right?
Yeah.
It's just doughy. What do you rate it?
In terms of like just a sweet gluttony thing, I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
I give it like a 9. It's pretty good. I'd eat that shit. If there were known consequences of consuming food that's bad for you, I would absolutely eat that.
I give it an 8. It's really syrupy on the inside. I'm gonna have my mic right now. I think I can hear everything. The whole road. Okay. That's a lot of sugar. You never had it? Me either. Actually, I think I've had like lemon before. I'm gonna put it in your bag.
Okay.
Okay. I've already eaten half of this.
Annie's.
So these are super cheesy cheddar bunnies, organic by Annie's. And they're really expensive. They're like $5 a box. I think I got these on sale. It was like $2.
Yeah.
$3. You wanna try?
Yeah. No, it's pretty good. Not as good as Cheez-Its.
Yeah. Cheez-Its are cheesier.
Yeah. That's like
But this will do.
That's like as good as
It's a
Goldfish.
substitute.
Yeah, that's as good as Goldfish.
Yeah.
Might be a little better.
I give these a 9.
Yeah.
You had to deal with my my lifestyle. Like how I do with your lifestyle.
Yeah. Whatever.
We equal each other.
Whatever.
We balance each other out. Okay. And then I was trying to find more Hostess snacks, like this brownie one that she tried, but I didn't have it. She said it was bomb, and I was like, damn.
We're gonna have to hit up Walmart.
Like a quick trip.
Oh yeah.
These are sour cream and onion Pringles. I feel like I've had these in
100%.
elementary school.
Yeah.
I know I've had the barbecue ones, but I've never had these.
I've had all the Pringles for sure.
I've had the pizza one. The pizza one is really good.
That's Kellogg's. It's the same people that make Rice Krispie treats.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Just in case there's like foreign people that's never tried Pringles before. A thick chip. How is this so different from chips? Is this like a different...
Yeah, it's like a broken down potato, and then they rehydrate it and mold it into the shape. And it's a really sophisticated frying system.
Is it worse than chips?
Like ingredient wise?
Mm-hmm.
No, it's the same.
Because it goes through so much?
No, it's fine.
Is it like McDonald's?
You probably digest it faster.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's like almost like a pre-digested reformed chip.
Mm.
But
You heard it from the engineer himself. No. I should eat these more then.
Kenton worked at that plant for like a year.
Yeah? Oh, that's good. I think I stopped eating these because I get sick of them really fast.
You're making duck
This
face?
clutch is in a can though.
You gonna make a duck face?
Oh my god, I should.
Yeah. I think you got it backwards.
Oh, really?
Yeah. There you go. You get it inverted.
Inverted moon.
There you go.
Oh,
Cute.
well.
Cheeto.
Oh.
Damn.
Wow, where are they going? Okay. I'll vlog the rest of the trip and try more snacks later.
Aside from my soul,
We're here at Bamboo's Jamaican Restaurant,
Having a quick lunch.
and I ordered the jerk chicken. I got some cabbage, salad, plantains, and white rice, or bean rice, but I got the white rice. And an order of the beef patty. She said it was beef.
Really?
Also oxtail. This is the beef patty.
Just right here.
You can dip it? No, I was gonna see you. What is that?
Crushed Scotch bonnet peppers. Be hot as fuck. She knows I'm a pro though, because I came in and I got that oxtail.
Just oxtail?
Curry oxtail.
Curry oxtail?
Yeah, and then this is the
Bean rice?
yeah,
And then what's that? Cabbage?
cabbage and a one plantain.
Plantain? A one plantain.
Mhm.
And then this is
Cocoa bread.
cocoa bread.
Cocoa bread.
This is really good. Cocoa bread is bomb. I have feeling cocoa bread.
Yeah, this oxtail is really.
Just so
They've been cooking this shit for a minute here.
Just so you know, this hot sauce is
Yeah, that shit's
really,
good.
really hot.
I'd eat a wing covered in that shit.
That's from the hot ones.
I would.
They should use this on the hot ones. Jamaican crushed Scotch bonnet.
Bonnet.
It's like the thing you put in your head.
Yeah.
So there's Scotch bonnet peppers. I don't know what type of pepper that is, but it's fire.
Looks like a habanero.
It feels like hell in your mouth. It feels like Satan took a shit in your mouth.
Okay, Rip, what we eating here?
We're eating lupias.
Oh yeah.
It's the Filipino egg roll. A Filipino egg roll. Ready?
Yeah. They're good or not? Nice.
You want to bite?
Yeah.
You're a good videographer.
No, not bad.
What's in it?
The same stuff
Pork?
as in the egg roll. Pork? Yeah.
Okay. Yum. Good work, babe. I pressed recording.
What we got now?
So now we got fried Oreos.
Oh yeah. Gina's favorite.
Fresh out of the stand. Show them the stand.
Fresh from the stand. Oh yeah. Eat this lady frying. Oh, sorry. Whoops, I forgot.
It's
You want me to redo it?
No.
Alright.
You ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
It's really hot though.
You want to wait? We'll fast forward.
Who are you?
Oh yeah. It's a hot Oreo.
You're home.
Is it hot?
Oh no! I got on your. I got on your beard.
Mmm.
You like it?
Ah, I think your fried Oreos are better.
Whiskey, not whiskey.
Love that whiskey.
Whiskey.
Y'all make some noise, Miss Hannah Hart, please.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you very much.
Hey guys, I'm back with some snacks. Yay! And look what I have. These are called flavor shots. This one's the flaming hot, which is supposed to be like Asteroids. Remember back in the day when they had Asteroids snacks with the little cup on the top, and then you can like pour some and you, right?
I remember those.
Those are so good.
Yeah, those are good.
Those were definitely a 10 out of 10. So I only got one bag because we went to this random gas station called Dodge's.
Dodges.
How do you spell that?
D-O-D-J-G-E.
G-E? No S?
D-O-D-D-G. D-O-D-G-E.
What he said.
Yes.
And this cost $1.19. This was the last one. And then I also got flavor shots, nacho cheese nuts. And I've never had these, but my boyfriend said it's really good because you had these like a while back.
Yeah, I had
Or
them
in a mix.
May of last year. They were like in a mix.
May of last year in a mix. So I tried finding these on Amazon and online, but they were out and you would have to pay $10 just for this bag.
Yeah, fuck that.
And I found this out through Bretman Rock. Shout out to Bretman Rock for putting us on this, because I wouldn't even look this up. Anyways, I'm gonna try this one first. So yeah, you wanna try one too?
No.
You don't want one?
No.
These are $1.19 too. I'm really excited for these. Sorry if my camera is shaky. We're going through this rough road.
Alabama roads.
Smells like nuts. This reminds me of the there's this Vietnamese snack that has like peanuts inside and it has like a sweet outer coating. Yeah. Super crunchy.
Sounds like the same thing.
So nacho cheese and a nut. So this is a peanut, right?
Yeah.
This is what it looked like. Oops.
It's good, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it tastes like that Vietnamese snack. That's good. I like it. That's like a thin. I'm gonna show them what it looks like on the inside. Or not. Yummy. Yep. I rate these 8 out of 10.
Nice.
8 out of 10. Yep. Okay. On to the highlight of this video. I'm excited.
Hell yeah.
It's like my childhood. This is like middle school. Oh, they're actually bigger than the original Asteroids.
Like a cheese puff size?
Asteroids were a little bit smaller.
Oh, okay.
Alright, I first were a little bit smaller.
That looks like the same equipment that they make like Captain Crunch off.
Oh yeah.
Makes sense.
You guys see it? Wait, let me try some more.
We gotta get a whole handful. Yeah, there you go. That's how they were meant to be eaten.
Mmm.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Mmm. They're like, yeah, these are, yup.
That's it?
These are childhood snacks. Yup. Yum, they're so good. Yeah, when you get me some, if you see them,
Yeah.
they're so good. 10 out of 10. Bourbon Rob was right. He's a bomb. All my friends been sending me Instagram videos, replies. How are they? Are they so good? Where'd you find them?
Well, now you have an answer.
I have an answer. 10 out of 10. I really should bring this back. I read somewhere they took this off the market because it was fattening.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Bad for our
Probably
health.
just take them all off the market then. That's all.
Mmm. They're like texture between Hot Puffs and Hot Cheetos.
Huh. Hey.
Mm-hmm.
Would you say it's the same texture as a Crunch Berry?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
These are so good. Okay. Anyways,
Big bone.
so we're on our way back home, and this is probably the last clip I'm adding. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys